Draw a big round sun. Add straight sunny rays. Add diagonal rays in the corners. Give the sun a happy face. Finish with a fluffy cloud. Now color it all in. Now the next color.